What's 24 in 192.168.15.024? What's the meaning of /24 in the following command?
It is the short way of representing a subnet mask. As Stephanopoulos points out in his answer, this is called Sidra notation, and the number simply indicates the prefix size used to construct the subnet mask. So /n means that the first n bits, out of 32 for IP4, are set to 1, the rest are set to 0. To convert this to a decimal subnet mask, you write it into 4 octets and convert to decimal. So /24 produces 255.255.255.0, because you have 24 1 bits and then 8 0 bits. The short value doesn't have to be a multiple of 8, AA. It doesn't have to end of the octet boundaries. For example, you can take /20 to get 255.255.240.0, as so. Usage with IP6. The same notation can be applied to IP6 as well. Since IP6 uses 128 bits instead of 32, the addresses are much larger. I won't go into the full semantics here, because it's not relevant to the question, but will provide a quick example. The subnet given in the question is represented by 192.168.15.024 and includes all the IP4 addresses from 192.168.15.0 to 192.168.15.255. An IP6 subnet can be represented in the same way. For example, 2001 column db8 column /48 contains all IP6 addresses in the range 2001 column db8 column 0 column 0 column 0 column 0 column 0 column 0 to 2001 column db8 column 0 column FFFF column FFFF column FFFF column FFFF column FFFF. Note: IP6 example shamelessly ripped from the Wikipedia SID article. For more info on subnet masks themselves, what they mean and how they are used, I would recommend you see the question "What are the essentials of a subnet mask?" or look at the extensive answer to "How does subnetting work?" over at Server Fault.
MA57361's answer of this representing a subnet mask is correct and sufficient already. +1. I'd still like to offer a different approach in explaining this to provide some background regarding the history/motivation for this notation. 192.168.15.024 is the compact specification of an IP address and its associated routing prefix, expressed in Sidra notation. Sidra notation is constructed from the IP address and the prefix size, the latter being the number of leading 1 bits of the routing prefix. Emphasis mine. The referenced short Wikipedia article already explains the topic at hand nicely. For a more thorough explanation of many related aspects, you might consult the respective parent topic classless interdomain routing. In particular, you'll find their information about the historical background for the change from subnet mask to prefix length/size. Finally, for a good and intuitive representation on how to interpret these notations when you encounter them in practice, you might look at the tables within IP4 subnetting reference as well.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.